what up? So we're doing multiplying decimals. Yay, yay for life. So let's go ahead and let's say we started off with just multiplying basic two-digit numbers like 25 times 36. All right, so step one, write it down, step two, cry. But then we want to go ahead and we want to multiply these. All right, give me a thumbs up when you have written down the problem. I see a couple thumbs, and awesome. Okay, so here we go. How do I start this out? I don't even know. Yes?
You multiply 5 times 6.
Which gives me?
30.
30, so I can put my 3 up here, drop my 0, booyah-ka-cha, and then what? Yes?
I'll multiply 6 times 2 and then add that by 3, which is 15.
Okay, so I get 12 plus 3 is going to be 15. Okay, moving on to my next step, I want to, and I'd like you to be in the practice of this, get rid of this carryover. Don't let it troll you later on. Okay? Get rid of that carryover. All right, so now let us continue. And so, yes, ma'am.
First you add a 0.
And why do I add a 0 here? Any thoughts?
No.
No thoughts why? Just something we've always done?
Yeah.
It's good that we've always done it. Yes?
It's a placeholder.
It is a placeholder. Why? Thoughts? Yes?
30 is a 30.
3 is a 30. Is everybody cool with that? It's 36. It's a 30. So I need that 0 to show that it's a 30. Boom. So what's 3 times 5?
15.
15. All right. And 3 times 2 is?
6.
Plus 1 is?
7.
7. And I go ahead and we add these together. Boom. 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 Boom.
0.
0.
10.
10.
9.
You guys sound so excited. All right. So I end up with this magical number. Okay. Now I'd like you to write down this problem. Completely different.
Oh boy.
And I'd like you to multiply this out.
Oh, that was right there. Now Joey's excited.
Okay. How are we doing? I got fancy feet.
I know what it is.
I know what it is. It is math. It is the answer.
No, it is crying.
All right?
It is crying.
It's crying.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the symbols. All right, so here we go. Start me off. Yes.
You do 25 times 6. 5 times 6.
5 times 6, which is 30. Okay. Oh, it's very similar to what we did before. 12, 15. Boom. And then what do I do with this 3? Erase it. Don't let it troll you. All right. And then we continue, and I get. I add a 0 because why? Why? Yes, sir. It's a placeholder because this is a 30. Preach it. And then we have 3 times. Or it's okay. Moving on. 3 times 5 is 15. Boom. And then 3 times 2 is
7.
okay. 6 plus 1 is 7. And I'm gonna go ahead and add these up, and I have 0 and 10 and 9, and it's the exact same answer.
No, you have a
Yes.
So since you have decimals, you have to add them in. But since you have two places, you're gonna move it over twice.
Ah. So how many decimal places do I have here? I've got.
1.
I have 1. I've got 1 decimal place here, so 1, and I've got 1 decimal place here. And so how many decimal places should I have total at the bottom? I should have 2, so that means I'm going to move it over 2 times. Booyah-ka-cha, and my final answer is what?
9.
9. All right?
0.
I don't need points. It's just my final answer is 9. Is equal to 9. Yay for life. Okay? And so then I can just like go ahead and think, yay! All right, so here we go. Let us continue. Let's say I was going to go ahead and multiply. Like 234, but I'm going to put in a decimal place in. Boom! And then I'm going to multiply times.
600.
No. Let's go with 52. Let's make it let's make it 5.2. Living on the edge. Now, here's one of the things to keep in mind. You do not. Thank you, sister, for completing that sentence. I do not need to line up the decimals. I do not need to line up the decimals. I do not need to line up the decimals. I do not need to line up the decimals.
Okay, that might be getting irritating.
Huh? What are you talking about? Nothing I do is irritating. Nothing I do is irritating. Yes. If you are into doing extra work, you may line up the decimals, but I would not recommend it. Okay? So now we will go ahead and multiply as usual. All right. So, in the beautiful color of Okay. All right. So here we go. What's 2 times 4?
8.
8. What's 2 times 3?
6.
2 times 2?
4.
What do I do now? I don't know what to do anymore.
Placeholder.
Placeholder.
Placeholder. All right. 5 times 4.
20.
20.
15. 17.
17.
Oh, I got that.
11.
11. All
11.
right. So let's say if I was going to go ahead and add these together.
8. 6. 11. 2. 1.
All right. Now I got to check this out. How many decimal places?
2.
All right. That's 2 of them. All right. So I'm going to say 2 decimal places. And then how many here?
1.
1. So therefore I have 1. So how many do I have total?
3.
So I should have 3 decimal places. Calm down, everybody. And then we're like 1 and 2 and 3. And so my final answer is
12 and 168 thousandths.
thousands. Well pronounced. Good. All right. But what if I had 0.07 times 0. I don't know. 3. Go ahead and multiply that. Ooh. Can't even handle. Can't even handle. Did you show your work? So show your work too. All right. All right. Can I have somebody tell me how I should stack these bad boys up? Somebody I have not heard from yet. Somebody I have not heard anything from yet. You told me something. You told me some good stuff earlier. Bring it.
It is 0.21.
No. I want to know how to do it.
Oh,
Yes.
you do 0.07.
Thank you so much. Or 7 hundredths.
700 times 0.3.
Also known as 3 tenths. All right. And you said 3 times 7 is
21.
21. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2. 3 times 0 is
0.
okay. And now I go okay. Oh, and now I have to have a place value holder. And what's 0 times 7?
0.
Oh, and what's 0 times 0?
0.
And what's 0 times 0?
0.
Oh, what about the edge?
All right.
He's happy.
Okay. Did I need to create this entire line?
No.
Was this necessary?
No.
No. It was a waste of my time. All right, but I enjoyed it. So 1 plus nothing.
1.
2 plus nothing.
2.
Nothing and nothing. All right. So all right. So
I like your
how many decimal places did you guys choose to put down? How many decimal places did you guys show me in your fingers? Show me in your fingers. But then the people at home can't hear it. So start tapping the number of times on your desk. No, that was like 35. Right? So anyway, so all right. So this is how many? 2 and 1. So we end up with how many? We're counting like horses. Horses, they do their feet. Anyway, so horses. So what's my final answer? 21 thousands. Very nice, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice. Your homework for this evening, because that's pretty much it for the lesson. Your homework for this evening is going to be